In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add brands on WooCommerce. So in order to do that, first head over to woocommerce.com, click on the Start Here or click on this Login option. Now the great thing about WooCommerce is that you can actually use WordPress in order to install or create an account on Woo. So on this case, I'll just head over and do that. Come in there, here is my WordPress dashboard with WooCommerce installed. So here is my store. So I want to add in here a product brand, and in order to do that, we just need to head over right here into our home page first. You can also click onto this extensions option that we can see right here. And then from in there, head over and then search in here for marketplace. Let's search in here for brand. Then click on the search option, and this will search in here for that. We have in here this product brands as well as this perfect brands. So you can see in here that there are some free options, but there are also some paid options such as this one. You can filter them if you would want to as well. Now in this case, you can head over and then just choose in here this product brand or this perfect brand. So you can click on this, and once you have clicked on it, this will open in here this. You can buy the 1 year plan or the 2 year plan. You can also add this to cart. So in this case, let's head over and see what that will look like once you have installed it. So in here, you can shop by brands right here. You can add brands to your store by adding their integrations to it, and you can see those products by brands, and you can add them to cart, view products, and essentially your store will be like a great supermarket with a lot of brands incorporated or affiliated with it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.